Coming up on this week's episode.
SPAM Museum? Hell yeah. Oh my god. Very interesting fact about George Hormel. At the tender age of only 15 years old, he was already traveling the country selling his product. It wasn't called spam yet. That came later on. Imagine, 15 years old, already running around the country selling her product.
It's an old butcher's. Not allowed to touch.
Do not touch that. I saw you trying.
You don't get butchers over here very often. In England, you still have butcher's shops. In the town that I used to live, I think there was 3 butchers, and you would go in and you would choose what meat and they would slice it. And their sausages, oh my goodness, their sausages were so delicious. Not the crappy stuff that you normally get, but yeah, I like butchers.
Yeah, they're not as common over here as they once were. They used to be, but...
Although actually we were in Iowa and we did see several butcher's shops
In our favorite town now.
In our favorite town of
Pella.
Pella.
Yep. So this is how it all started.
Good. Well, like I said, if you have any questions...
So as you know, I can't stand spam, but I've got a piece
Enjoy your
here,
time, huh?
teriyaki, so I'm going to give it a try. Factory. It's actually really good. It's a surprise. So each area has a different theme. So this is I guess the international theme.
Okay, so yeah, you got Hawaii.
Hawaii.
China.
China. Latin America. Philippines. South Korea.
And a flying pig. Now, where's that from?
Great Britain.
Okay.
So how many spam cans am I tall? Spam cans? Spam cans.
Spam can. Wow.
How many?
You're at a whopping 20 cans.
Oh, but you're more than that, because that's 5 spams. And what about the one at the bottom? So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Forget that then.
Wow.
So
I
I'm
can't believe
20.
you just did.
What? You're going to cut that bit out. Okay, your turn. How many spam cans are you? Get your feet together. $20. You're only 2.
I'm only 2 cans taller than you.
You're,
Am I shrinking?
yeah, but I've got a hat on. So I've got to bake some spam. Okay.
Ready?
Is that done?
No.
I've done it.
No.
Oh, I got to put
Where's
the
your label?
Show.
12 seconds? No.
Shall I start again?
Redo. And I think you grabbed those simultaneously.
Am I not allowed to grab it?
She's like this with
simultaneously?
board games too.
Okay, I'll start again then. Okay. Okay.
Go.
I'm multitasking. And then what do I do? Box it.
17 seconds.
I'm a spammer.
My turn. Ready?
Okay, Stephen's turn.
Time to beat. 17 seconds.
Okay.
Who's the spammer now? Spam. True story.
Okay. Second spam of the day. Bacon spam. But it's bacon anyway. 'Cause it's made of pork.
What's ham? She loves it. I can tell. It's good, isn't it? Swallow it. Let it go
Okay.
down. Let it go down. There you go.
Bacon
Nice.
spam. No, I like the teriyaki one though. True story. It's in spam. Let's take a look. How it's made. 2 cuts from the same piggy. Shoulder. Bot. So now I didn't know this. Ham is the cut of pork from the bottom. That I've just learned something there. Salt, water, potato starch, sugar, because we know how you Americans love everything sweet, and sodium nitrate. Huh.
Now you love it even more.
Again, I've just learnt something. So, Monty Python, great British movies. There was a spam kit shown in an episode of Monty Python's Flying Circus. And it's linked to where the team for spam email originated. How cool is that? So that's where we get spam
The
email
spam from, yep.
It was on March 31st, 1993. The administrator for a company accidentally posted the same message 200 times to a discussion group. I'm not going to read all of that.
Yeah.
But that's funny. I think that is really funny.
So two loves, spam and motorcycles. They brought them together. Well, bacon. So apparently this runs on bacon. I think we do too, though, right?
So this is Sir Canalot, and he stands only 3 inches tall, the size of an egg. But he wasn't, I think he was only around for about 6 years.
I don't actually remember. It was introduced in 2012.
Yeah.
I don't remember it.
It was, it says here, after 6 years of successfully living out the campaign, break the monotony, the Sir Canalot character laid down his mighty sword.
What's on the menu tonight? Spam. 3 years. I don't know how much more spam I can take. I mean, Jim, and he's the camp history buff. Jim says we've got it good. Since back in World War I, it's mostly dry biscuit, or else nothing at all. So, we're grateful to have spam. It's not steak, but it's good meat, fills you up. Lord knows there's plenty of it. I guess that's the problem. There's just too much. I used to eat spam back home before the war, once every week or two, but here, every day, 2 or 3 times a day. It's in the camp chow, in the field rations. You can't avoid it. I even heard that Ike is getting tired of finding spam in his mess camp. This past week, I've had spam, fused with cream corn, spam breaded with cornflakes, spam baked with cabbage, spam fried with blackjack, powdered eggs. Don't get me started on the eggs. And last night, spam smothered in beans and brown sauce. Cooks invented, I'll give them that. I guess we'll always eat right, but Gonzalez is probably right. We're not here for the food. And I'd rather eat spam than fun. Yeah. Doesn't matter so much what we eat as long as it helps us get back home again. Oh yeah, tell me what. I'll meet you over at the Mexico. I'll introduce you to some of the other guys, and we can see what the cook's done with the spam tonight.
Okay, so now I know exactly what I want for dinner.
Spam, 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 spam. Wonderful spam.
No, I wanted tacos.
Okay.
Where do you come up with this stuff?
There are several ways you can help support this channel further. Please check the pinned comment below. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next adventure.